Be strong.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I was asked online about doing a quick video on my 40K wall, particularly the Adeptus Astartes poster and my miniature diorama I'm making to kind of match this poster, but only of the chapters that I enjoy or like or want to paint. So here, first off, here's the poster that I've mentioned and talked about. I'm sure some of you have seen these in Games Workshop stores. Some of you may even have one. Alright, next up is the diorama. As you can see, I have several chapter insignias up there and a matching or corresponding Space Marine to go with that. Most of the Space Marines on this board were 3D printed. There's one or two GW models. The rest are all 3D prints, or a combination of GW and 3D prints. And you'll have to bear with me because, as I said, this is on the wall and I'm having to hold my camera up to film it. And as you see on each side, I have some trays where I'm putting the starting figures of armies and kill teams on there. Death Watch up top here, my own chapter of the War Hunters, the Feudal Guard, and another guard. Also above that, I have the 3rd edition box set cover mounted on the wall, along with a Dark Angel's helmet that I 3D printed and haven't painted yet. Old Space Marine Codex cover, box set from Assault's on Black Reach. A picture of Vulcan, and then over here some Warhammer stuff. And now we come down to my printer bench with my large Space Marines there. This is an action figure. This is a 3D print. And then coming back over, Purity Seal, more 40K, Primarchs, all 3D prints, with this one being a resin print. Deathcore Krieg bust, and 3 Space Marine helmets. Alright, that's it guys. It's a quick short video on my 40K wall, particularly the Space Marine chapter diorama and Space Marine chapter poster. Thank you for watching. If you can, please leave me a simple like and subscribe for more Plastic Soldiers. Thank you.